Hey everyone! If you're looking for an easy and efficient way to make your favorite juices right at home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through 3 juice extractors, each packed with unique features to level up your health game. Let's check them out together, starting from the most budget-friendly all the way up to the premium pick. Let's get into it. First up, the cold press juicer machine. This thing comes with a wide 6.5-inch feed chute, so you can drop in whole fruits without having to chop anything up beforehand. With a 100-ounce capacity, you can batch out large quantities of juice at once, perfect for families. Its 350W motor runs at 60 revolutions per minute, delivering that slow extraction that locks in all the good nutrients. Next, let's talk about the Godspeed's juicer machines. This juicer stands out with its 5.8-inch wide chute, making it super easy to feed in whole fruits and veggies and seriously cutting down your prep time. The 300W motor uses slow masticating technology to squeeze out every drop of juice while keeping those natural flavors intact. On top of that, it's designed for quick and easy cleanup, a total win for busy families. Finally, for those of you who want to go all out, meet the Echo Self Juicer machines. With its wide feed chute and slow masticating technology, this juicer delivers an effortless juicing experience while maximizing your yield. The one-touch control and simple 3-step assembly make it the go-to choice for anyone who wants top-tier quality without the hassle. And that's our juicer lineup. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next one.